In this video, we will show you how to create WhatsApp group. To create WhatsApp group, it's very easy. First, you need to open your WhatsApp on your smartphone like this. Then to create WhatsApp group, just click this chat button. Okay. After that, you can click new group here. Just click new group. Then you can type the new member. Just type the person that you want to add as member. For example, I want to add this person. Just click this. Then you can click this button. After that, you can type your group name, for example, where data like this, and tap the check button here. Now you are finished to creating a group. In here, you can add a member or you can remove a member and manage your group here. Just click on this title of your group. In here, you will find the configuration of your group. That's all tutorial how to create a group on WhatsApp application. Thanks for watching.